Today, roughly, it's about 40 degrees over here in Michigan. It's a beautiful fall day. We got a brisk wind. We got a lot of trees losing their leaves and changing colors. I'm currently here just slack packing, walking around the college, Hillsdale College Arboretum, checking out the new DJI. I haven't done like 3 videos. This is my 3rd video, and I'm still learning, so guys, be patient. Hopefully we get better as we go. It's a little bit of a breezy day out here today. What a perfect little spot to sit and then just overlook. Shooting this on the new DJI camera. You guys think? Pretty nice? What a beautiful place, I'll tell you. Guys, hey, if you like this style video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. We'll catch you at the next video. Let us know, drop in a comment. What do you think about the DJI camera? I'm still learning. I got a lot to learn about it yet, but we'll catch you at the next video. And